Step into a world where strength, durability, and aesthetics come together to create limitless possibilities for your construction and home improvement projects. Introducing ROCPLEX Plywood, the ultimate choice for those seeking high-quality materials that stand the test of time. At ROCPLEX, we prioritize quality above all else. Our plywood is manufactured using top-notch hardwood veneers, ensuring exceptional strength and stability. The innovative bonding process guarantees a high degree of water resistance, making our plywood suitable for both interior and exterior applications. Environmentally friendly choice. ROCPLEX Plywood is committed to sustainability and eco-friendliness. Our products are made from responsibly sourced timber and adhere to stringent environmental standards. By choosing ROCPLEX, you are not only investing in a durable product but also contributing to a greener planet. Versatile applications. Whether it's for construction,